Industries with high cyber risk. Industries with high cyber risk are typically those that handle sensitive data, have a high degree of digital connectivity, or are critical to infrastructure. Here are some examples. Healthcare. This industry is a prime target due to the sensitive nature of the data it handles, including personal health information and payment details. Cyberattacks can also disrupt critical healthcare services. Financial services. Banks and other financial institutions are attractive targets due to the financial data they handle. They are often targeted for financial gain or to disrupt financial systems. Education. Educational institutions often have large amounts of personal data and research information, making them attractive targets. They also often have less robust cybersecurity measures compared to other sectors. Retail. Retailers handle a large amount of personal and financial data from customers, making them attractive targets for cybercriminals. E-commerce platforms are particularly vulnerable due to their online nature. Public sector. Government agencies are often targeted for the sensitive information they hold, which can include personal data, financial information, and state secrets. These attacks can be motivated by financial gain, espionage, or disruption. Manufacturing. The manufacturing sector is increasingly being targeted due to its high disruption factor and the potential for theft of intellectual property. Automotive. The automotive industry is becoming a target due to the increasing connectivity of vehicles and the potential for large-scale disruptions.